Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I am back with another video. Welcome back to my channel. I wanted to share another entry to my IC challenge, and it's from Michele, who's Michele, Crafty Mama Michele here on YouTube. And she sent me a package for my flip book on Saturday. And in the package, she said that she enclosed her IC card for my challenge. So I wanted to do that in a separate video, and I'm doing it now. I'm doing it now. So here is her entry. Oh my gosh, Michele, I love it. I love the owls, and it says stay curious, and the paper is so sweet. I love the acetate. So awesome job on your IC card. I love it. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And Michele is from New Mexico. Her birthday is April 4th. Her favorite color is royal blue. Favorite style is simple. Favorite tool is her butterfly punch. Awesome. Thank you, Michele. Oh, I appreciate you entering in my challenge. And this is number 16. Oh my gosh. So thanks everybody for stopping by today, and yeah, I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye.